Hey, it's me, Max from Saphron Squares. Today we're going to be making a beat with the opening to Paul Desmond's Glad to Be Unhappy. So every time I listen to Paul Desmond's Glad to Be Unhappy, I always catch myself thinking the same thing. That would be really dope if you made a beat with the opening part. At the same time, it feels super obvious, feels like something someone's already done before. You know, probably already has been done before, but today I'll be doing that. Alright, so yeah, I got the sample, the main guitar sample, lined up here. I pulled out the first bit of saxophone. Added some drums to that, and a tape effect. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Just add the little cherry on top of it.
we're gonna do this like this, alright? I say it's 1 is for the Buddha and 2 is for the sex. 3 is for the coke and don't forget the Buddha bless, yes, yes.
And you don't stop, I keep on till the break of dawn. I keep.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the beat made. I added some atmospheric sounds here. Added some white noise risers. Just gated those with the gross beat. Without further ado, I'll play the beat, let you be the judge. Thank you so much for watching.
Saphron squares. Saphron squares. Saphron squares. Saphron squares.
Yeah, okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about the beat down in the comments. There's links to all of my stuff, music, everything down in the description. So yeah, have a nice day.
Saphron squares.